Alright, here we go, guys. Anyway, so we've been out here waiting for these new Sky High 18-inch sofas coming in. And I drove all the way out to Tullahoma to be here at my boy's spot when they arrived just for FedEx to get here and say it will be another 2-hour delay. But nevertheless, you see what's here. So it's time. So if you guys know, my boy comes through with the Sundown SA-15s like right now. Anyways, he beats the block down every single day. At every car show, he's always the first to give me a demo. So when he hit me up and says he got some 18s, you know I had to pull up on him. What we got? So we had to come check out and get FedEx to unload these subwoofers. Y'all, let's see how big these are. My man got some shorts and cowboy boots on. He said, don't worry about it, baby.
We was in a hurry.
He said, we was in a hurry. He said, I had to get the bikes, get out the way. But anyways, here we go. Ooh. Sheesh.
Yeah, I'll just have you sign it for getting my motor.
Said, put that work in. Put that work in. Sheesh. Straight into the crib off. I'm gonna go get one. Oh, God. How heavy are they?
You just gave us out of it.
There it is, baby.
Appreciate it, brother. Have a good one.
All right, man. Yes, sir. How you feeling, dog?
Wore out already.
Oh, Lord. All right. I don't know. Why are we waiting so long for we get here? Now they're here now. Like, what do we do?
Out of breath now.
Oh, man. Yeah, it was so random. All right, show these big old monsters down here. So he's been beating on these for how long?
2 years.
2 years. Destroying them. And this sub right here, so I can get it out with one hand. It's kind of hard. There we go. But this sub, we don't cut it out when he pulled the subs out yesterday. That the, hold on, get in there for y'all. That the shortening ring right there. Show you. Right there, that shortening right there is loose, so it makes a little noise. So instead of recounting it, just buy 4 more new ones. So here we go. If you can't tell, got the hand in there and steak knife. He said, let's see.
See what we got.
Sheesh. Oh, Lord. Yep.
Another box.
Of course. You knew it was going to be. You knew that. What? Turn the TV down some. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. You ready, sir? Here it is. Oh, my.
Another box.
I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't expecting that. Well, unless you know that he's trying to protect the sub.
Another box.
All right. No, it better not be on another box. We have a big issue. Oh, okay. What to say? Jeez.
Got a high sticker.
Okay. All right.
Oh, there we go.
Man. First off, look at the packaging on it. Jeez. All right. Set this there. Look at that.
You ready?
Here goes nothing.
Oh yeah.
My goodness. I wouldn't expect them to be that much taller though.
Oh yeah, they big.
Wow.
Pull that plastic out.
Alright, I got you. Yeah. I think it's time to go get the old SAs.
Step aside.
I think it's time. Nice basket.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that big, that much taller. I really wasn't. I really was. But I guess you're gonna have to be able to get the FMX you need to.
Got nice direct leads on there.
Oh, man, I ain't seen the direct leads.
You get the carbon cap.
Oh yeah, I did. That force carbon. All right, so we talking about some 22 hertz resonant frequency subwoofers. Yeah, that'll do it. That's a woofer, sir. Sheesh. Yeah.
Think that'd be loud?
Yeah. Big facts. All right, I'm sitting back in the motor.
Down on this. Need some more hot water.
You see everything now. Nice magnet boot. Got a sky high wire on there. Yeah, I mean everything looks good. Nice and tight. Surround down. I do like how they drilled in where the
It goes off right there.
yep, the spaces are they drill holes for the beads to come right in there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Say loudness. There it is. I wish I had scales to do a weight thing.
Got one.
It's nice. Yeah, you can feel the weight on it. Man, that's a big difference though. All right, so we got a scale. Let's weigh the big boy.
70.6.
All right, let's take it off and see what the Sundown weighs. To show you how much of a difference we're going to. So we're talking about almost 30-pound difference, 28-pound difference. Yeah. Oh, the mountain hose is very similar.
Oh yeah. It'll bolt right up in there.
Oh man. You said this is what it looked like. Can use that country boy strength now. Alright. Here we go. Y'all, these cowboy boots are hilarious. I'm coming. Don't you put that dang on sub down. Don't you drop. Yeah. All right, so of course you know we're impatient, so we gotta see at least what one of the subs look like in the beast. Oh yeah, you gonna be sweating your butt off today.
This sucks.
What?
Trying to get them in here.
Oh, you better get it in there. This your practice round. He said, so dang on top. I thought you was gonna have your off day. That's the issue. Ain't no more off day. We working now. Pick that thing up. I'm sliding the thing. Yeah, go on and get on in there. Oh, you brought me some peppers? Thank you. Ooh. There it is. There it is. You heard the doom-doom. Uh-oh. One of many. One of many. She says flush. That's the big goal. She says completely flush in there. Oh, man. How you feeling, dog?
Good.
Hey, look what your wife gave me. She used some peppers. But yeah. We're in there. Where you tuned in on this thing again?
2657.
Sheesh. Sheesh. We about to see something crazy with these big monster subs. Let's pop the amp, pop the trunks. Let's see show everybody the amp real quick. So we can show y'all what we can power those with. Hey, guess what it's bought? The same plate.
Same plate?
Yeah. Sheesh. JP-83.
83.
83, JP-83. It's gonna be a monster. It's gonna be a monster. Are you excited, sir?
Oh, yeah.
All right, this weekend is game time.
Better be there.
You better have them good and broken in.
I will, trust me.
Thank you for letting me be a part of your process, man.
Yes, sir.
Jeez, I had to come through. I said, we don't get too many demos of it. Every show.
I gotta get you.
I was like, and every time, the very first demo it's always you. Every first demo, hey bro, get in. Come on, let's go.
Let's go ahead.
Ain't nobody there. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. I love it. Yeah, man. Ooh, you fit them in there.
I'm gonna let you put the other 3 in there.
And folks, that'll be do it for today's video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will be doing a part 2 on this vehicle this weekend when he pulled out to the car show in Shelbyville, Tennessee. We'll get to get first glance of it. But I'll make sure I show you guys the before and after, show you guys what it sounds like with the system, with the SA-18s in there. Now I'm moving to the the Sky Highs, and seeing how much lower we can get. But until then, let's go. Oh, these are V2. Yep, they are the V2s. So the V2s versus
FMX 18s.
gosh. All right, Sky High, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. You gonna put it to the test.
Microsoft, so they call me Bill Gates. Hey, turn it back up. You want? Turn it back up. I'm gonna get you a different song. Okay, baby.
You can't go far. Where your phone at?
My phone is recording.
Oh. Oh, Lord.
Pocket for the sunshine, I got a love and I know that it's all I know. Do what you want, but you're never gonna break me. Sticks and stones are never gonna shake me. Take me pocket full of sunshine, I got a love and I know that it's all mine. Do what you want, but you're never gonna break me. Sticks and stones are never gonna shake me. Gonna shake me, never gonna shake me.